job on this one. Trying to cover up the mud floodage. And this is always interesting, isn't it? That gravestones get turned into slabs, 4 slabs. Died May 1846. See that? I don't think he intended for it to be on the floor. And the height of these doors is off. But I'm not going to go and disturb their religious sacrament. Suffice to say, this is another beautiful building, and the floor levels are all over the place. There is a stunning entranceway, and up there says 1957, you see, and there's a stone that says here that the stone is laid in 1957 on this building. I don't believe that. In the same way I don't believe that that is a rock.